One of the objectives of this meeting, of this symposium that we've been so lucky to organize with our partners, Al-Kazimi Foundation for Policy Research, the Open Societies Foundations, and the Graduate Institute, is to unpack, as they say, this topic from a multi-stakeholder perspective. That is not only philanthropies talking to each other, researchers talking to each other, but researchers, academics talking to philanthropies, talking to policymakers, both from the north and the south. So this is very much what we try to do at NORRAG, is to bring together different perspectives from different parts of the world, and in particular raising the voices of the south. So that is also a fundamental aspect of the series that we're launching here in Geneva, is to bring it to the various regions of the world, because philanthropy is a very multifaceted phenomena with a number of issues still very undefined, and also various manifestations throughout the world. Philanthropy in China is not the same as philanthropy in Nigeria, in Peru, or in Switzerland. So being able to contextualize the issues that are raised, be it in terms of accountability, transparency, impact evaluations, collaborations between the policy space and the education space and the philanthropic space, needs to be taken into account for each of the specific regions. One of the things that we're planning, and which looks very close to achievement, is to have a major event in China. Not only with the idea of bringing again together these different constituencies in this philanthropy and education space, but also to learn from each other and to build capacity both in China, but also for the participants from the global north, if I may say, to gain a better understanding on what philanthropy in China is about and how that relates, or what is it that can be learned from that, and what is it that the Chinese can learn from the partners in the north. So this is sort of what we're trying to do. Again, NORRAG doesn't have a proper interest in this beyond that of being an honest knowledge broker, a convener, bringing people together to cross perspectives and enrich the debates. Keep an eye on our website. We will update that regularly with the latest news, not only in terms of spreading the knowledge that was created over the last 2 days here in Geneva, but also announcing what will happen in the future. Researchers in particular are also invited to say, this is a topic of interest, I would like to do more on it. I would be happy to talk about potential areas of research that we see that could be deepened, and more broadly, just stay connected, become a member of NORRAG, and then you'll get all the news automatically.